gonna be walking down this tiled street at nighttime, kind of seeing what it looks like. We're gonna go all the way down to a parking garage, so I'll show you in a moment. I just kind of give you, we're at this four corners. Down there is MGM, Wynn Casino, Lisboa Casino. Kind of got a four Times Square kind of image here with the bright lights. That goes down to Macau Tower. And then this one goes all the way down to Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo is that way, and then the pier is all the way down, and also Soundcloud Square is right down there way as well. But our focus is going to be down that way. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So we're going to be heading down this way. Anything interesting before we go? Lots of buses coming. Lots of traffic. Lots of people coming this way. See people be coming across. So photogenic in this spot. It's a really nice little corner. So anyways, we're going to start heading down our spot, which is basically all the way down that direction. So let's navigate it. So actually, before we go, so actually this little four corners, there's actually people that go all the way across, so you can go, like some will go all the way across as well. So I kind of wanted to capture that. It's kind of a cool imagery. It's like Tokyo for a moment, but without as much density, but everybody's kind of crossing every direction, right? So it's kind of cool. Okay, got our little whales. You're gonna see seahorses, and we're gonna walk on down. So yeah, kind of cool. Got these giant pillars right there as well. And then in here we have some like historical building here of green. Let's just try to slowly capture some of that because it's actually quite beautiful at nighttime, especially. Let's see if we can capture that just right. So yeah, you actually got the black and white tiles, and you also have like the pastel blue. So it has a nice imagery. And this one is called Praia Beach Road. Sorry, Praia Grande. Avenida de Praia Grande, I believe, which is like Big Beach Road. And basically Big Beach Road is where the ocean used to be, and then everything to the right of us is all reclaimed land. So that used to all be ocean, and everything to the left is was always been here for, you know, at least, well, it's not reclaimed land anyways, island for tens of thousands of years, I guess, I don't know. So okay, so we're going to briefly show you this. So this goes up to like all the kind of cool historic stuff. Say is that way, and then Soundcloud Square. This one is a little mart, and then we also have a little time watch thing there, clock. Grande Lisboa Casino, apartments way at the top, and basically this was the street that we just walked on down that way. So we'll wait for this red light, and then we'll continue on our walk. Okay. And we're just kind of basically waiting for that light to turn red. A bunch of people coming around the corner. So yeah, the casinos are right down there. Grande Lisboa, it's quite close. You can actually walk. If we walk that way, we could be there very quickly. But we're gonna stay faithful to our street, which is actually red light still. Sorry. Sometimes I watch other people move and then I kind of jump out of there real quick. So they're all moving across. This is a little 360 mark in there, and we're gonna keep on moving down this way. And we got some other kind of cool stuff in a moment. just kind of move like that. Oh yeah, actually there's also a bench in there. I think the lighting isn't so good for this one because it's a little bit dark. So we're gonna keep on moving on Big Beach Road. Our tiles, our black and white tiles. Got our sailing boat. We got our Carefree. We got our designer shops. We got some things that are closed. We got a squid. We got a, is that swan? Can you see that yet? I got the lighting so it's like a little bit, like it drowns out the lights a little bit. Averes Cafe. So Averes, you can sit outside as well. And then we got another, this next building is really beautiful. It's like a pastel green. I don't know what the colors look like at nighttime, but that's going to be our next main focus anyways. Let's see if we can capture a good image of it at nighttime. But yeah, that's it right there. So the lighting is kind of best when people are coming at it, and you can kind of see some of that stuff too. It's kind of cool. Looks like it's basically a school now. So yeah, it's the school name. So yeah, actually it's a really beautiful building. Let's see if we can capture some of the details. So that one is kind of cool, that little lighting. Let me move the boy a little bit. So yeah, there we go. Now we got a really nice setting right there. It's beautiful. Oh, really like that a lot actually. Let's see. You want to get in here? Here. So now you can take a look at that. See that? You like that? Yeah, you like that? So okay, so we're gonna keep on going. It is really nice. So just gonna capture it like that. Yeah, actually this would be a great shot if I could like put the camera like that. Want to step back a little bit? Step back. So you see that? So walk towards the camera. So come over here. You see that, right? Yeah, right there. Just kind of pick back like that. So now stay right here, okay? So I'm going to walk towards the camera so you can see it. Oh, no, we should take a shot. So stay right there. Oh, he's gonna get up there. Okay, well, that's kind of cool as well. Oh, you ready? 3, 5. Okay, so we're gonna walk this way. So come on, follow me. My son is autistic, so that's why I don't know why I have to explain it all the time. But anyways, if you're wondering why I have to direct him and why he's telling me to go the opposite way. So okay, so I think we got some kind of cool shots there, and we're going to continue down the Big Beach Road. Got a nice restaurant right there, and what we're going to do next is just kind of follow it briefly towards this South Francisco. Oh, this is really frustrating because there's a green light and a red light, so we can't take the red light, of course, for the green light, so we're gonna get stuck in the middle, of course. Yeah, and these people are turning left, so we can't catch that either. But anyways, this is also part of Grand Beach Road, which we're not going to take. It goes all the way down to San Francisco Gardens, which is there, and then you can also see some casinos. There's Star World Casino, Wynn Casino, and then basically our street was this street right here. So we basically did Big Beach Road all the way down, and there's also some other kind of other streets, of course, as well. So anyways, let me just see if we can catch this light. I think we're gonna get caught in the median. So anyways, let's just end it right there. So we'll just capture it like that, and that'll be the end of our Big Beach Road. And it's just, we just kind of caught a part of it. It goes almost all the way down towards the other direction as well, about at least this far as well, and then it ends over by that pink building, which is called the Military Club. Can we go? Okay, so let's end it right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.